Bum bum.
Hello my friends and welcome. My name is Dennis and as you probably know I'm the airline pilot. Today I'm here in the parking stand in Kyiv Boryspil Airport. Today I had the flight to Paris Charles de Gaulle and coming back here. The crew already went home, but I'm here now with you to share my emotions because I will unbox this present from YouTube. So I think it's the perfect place for unboxing. Due to security reasons, however, I don't have the knife with me to open this box, but I have the other way out. I have this. This is the Fire X, the part of emergency equipment, and I just want to check it out and of course use it to open the YouTube play button. I hope it is YouTube silver button, so let's start. This actually is kind of sharp, so this Fire X should be stored in the cockpit, not to have access to the passengers, etc. So I'm gonna use it not for emergency but to open this play button because I'm not allowed to take the knife with me. Should be alright. Let's see everything. I hope it is the play button because first time I'm boxing, I'm very eager to see what's inside. Wow, we have the letter from YouTube, some kind of the small card. Wow, interesting. And of course, hey, the silver play button and some other stuff. Recognize your team. Oh, my team is the best of the best. You are awesome, my friends. This is because of you. It is not only my play button, it's not my present, it is our present, my friends. I'm very grateful to you for this present because without your attention to my channel, without your likes, subscriptions, comments and views, of course, I wouldn't even get close to this play button. So thank you very much, my friends. I'm very happy to open this button here with you. Stay awesome, subscribe to my channel, ring the bell and always like, my friends. The next step is golden play button, but honestly I think maybe I'll never reach it, but I'll try my best to get the next button. As for design, I like the previous design of YouTube play button. It was actually the button, but here we have the hole in this kind of square shaped, it's iron or alloy or aluminum. Well, let's see inside. Pilot blog, 100,000 subscribers. Crazy my friends. Actually it happened because just one video, the cockpit video that I filmed, that I was sitting on a jump seat and I was filming two of the guys flying, and that video got 30 million views already. And of course people subscribe to my channel, many of the people, because of these short videos. YouTube tries to promote the short videos nowadays because it has the competitor, the main competitor is TikTok with its short videos. So YouTube is making some kind of TikTok videos. But what I want to say, my friends, the loyal audience that I had didn't grow so much, so I still have not so many views on my regular type of videos. So please watch my videos if you like what I do. And to encourage you more, I have the video of the landings, today's landings in Charles de Gaulle Airport, and let's see it.
Bum bum.
Full lights, please. Yes, sir.
A3, I confirm on the runway, hold position, departure ahead of you from Tango Niner. Hold position, runway 26 right.
You're down.
2500.
Flap 15. Check. Flap 15. Check. Flap 30. Ready landing checklist. Continuous. Arm green light. Down 3 greens. 30 green. Complete. Да, сейчас там взлетать будет еще. Чек. Сейчас еще борт будет взлетать. Нам... Или может на другую полосу мы валим.
Уже давали на параллель.
Checked.
1000.
Auto throttle. Check. Runway side landing.
Minimums.
Wait.
$50, $40, $30, $20, $10.
I hope you like it, my friends. If you do, follow the awesome guide checklist. First, like this video, then subscribe to my channel, and only after that, ring the bell, whatever it means. Thank you very much for watching this video, and have a great time. Pam pam. I can't believe that we reached this goal. Wow, awesome. Thank you.